Mix toothpaste with detergent, and you will be surprised by the result. I never thought it was possible to achieve such a fantastic outcome using just this recipe that I am going to show you now. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. Several people have already asked me about this secret, so I finally decided to reveal it. To start, we are going to need liquid detergent of any brand. Then, you are going to put all the detergent in a container. Once you empty all the detergent, immediately add a tablespoon of toothpaste of the brand of your choice. You should know that toothpaste is a powerful ally when it comes to cleaning the house. It is responsible for giving metal and aluminum a lot of shine, helping to remove stains and clarify kitchen dishes. Many people use it to polish pots and pans. You can prepare this mixture with any brand of detergent. Even the cheapest ones work for this mixture. You will achieve optimal results spending almost nothing. Mix the detergent with the paste until everything is homogeneous. Then, take half a liter of water and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a wonderful product for removing stains and bad odors, as it disinfects the kitchen and removes bacteria. Mix the baking soda water together with the detergent, and now the magic begins. While I'm mixing, let me know which city you're watching me from below so I can send you a special hello in my next video. Today's greetings go to Trudy Wright from Arizona and Hester Green from Connecticut. Thank you for always watching our videos. Now, I'm going to do a test of this mixture so you can see what shine it gives to my dishes. I took some dishes from my kitchen and began to wash them, and I could see that this mixture works very well with very little quantity, and it foams enough that, apart from leaving my dishes shiny, it leaves them with a refreshing mint smell. The best thing is that you can use it on aluminum, plastic, and glass. Also, to clean the microwave, fridge, and stove. Anywhere in your kitchen or house, you will be able to leave it shiny if you use this mixture. You will see that when you receive visitors, everyone will ask you what your cleaning secret is. If you learned something new and want to keep receiving more videos like these, write me below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.